At least two football stakeholders are confident that Jamaica's Reggae Girlz can qualify for back-to-back FIFA World Cup tournaments. The Reggae Girlz face Bermuda at the National Stadium on Thursday in the first game of this round of CONCACAF qualifiers. Karen Madden reports.
Last week, newly appointed Reggae Girlz head coach Vin Blaine announced his 23-member squad from which he will select the players to start the country's hunt for a place at the FIFA World Cup in New Zealand and Australia next year. It's a two-game window with the Jamaicans hosting Bermuda on Thursday before traveling to face Grenada on Sunday. Former national player Tashana Vincent, though not familiar with some of the players Coach Blaine has called up, believes that the team has the depth to get the better of their opponents.
For the returning players, I am confident in those players, and I'm confident in the coach's ability to choose who he thinks is suitable to take us to the next World Cup. And as a true patriot, I'll stand by whatever decisions are made.
Her sentiments are shared by former Reggae Girlz assistant coach Andrew Price.
I think it's a capable squad of dealing with these games for this World Cup qualifiers. I believe that we have a lot of players who are playing professionally and have experience, and I believe that with the quality players that he has selected, they should be able to get the job done.
Price also pointed to the importance of the 12th man.
I think a lot of the players who went to the World Cup are going to have to show some leadership quality and guide the younger players. And I think we have enough of those players who can assist in guiding the younger players. And I believe that we should get some favourable results in this first part of the qualification. And just asking Jamaicans to come out and support the game on Thursday. 2,500 people. Let's fill the stadium with those 2,500 people and support the girls.
Fully vaccinated fans wishing to attend Thursday's game, which starts at 7 p.m., will have to register and pay for tickets online using the government's validation window. The JFF says former national women's representatives will be admitted to the game free of cost, but they too must be fully vaccinated and be validated on the online portal. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.